The PODOLOG ECO, the clever all-rounder. Technology that is assuring in style, function and convenience. Clear design, smooth surfaces with a touch control panel and high contrast display, the PODOLOG ECO offers uncompromising quality and value for money. All functions are controlled at the touch of a button. The burr rotation speed, which has a maximum of 25,000 RPM. The 3 memory presets according to your saved preferences. And the level of suction. Intuitive menus with interchangeable languages give information on status and also filter change and servicing reminders. The drawer for the changing of the filter bags is easily accessible from the front of the device, and the process is super easy. The body has smooth surfaces for hygienic cleaning. The super light and ergonomic handpiece has an integrated on-off switch. The automatic chuck makes it simple and safe to change your rotating instruments. The handpiece allows for comfortable working using the overhand grip technique or the pen grip technique. Versatile for both mobile or clinic work, the PODOLOG ECO is a quality product manufactured in Germany and comes with a 2-year warranty. Ruck, the mark of quality for over 90 years. For more information, go to helmut-ruck.uk.